Hey there, this is Julian, and today we want to talk about our Revolut business account and how you can use it. I'm going to show you every feature step by step so you can just follow along and get to know your new Revolut business account. Before we start, really important, if you haven't signed up yet, you will find my partner link to Revolut down in the video description, and from time to time they're offering a sign-up bonus via their partners. For example, in Great Britain right now it's £100, so make sure to check out the link, just click on it and it will bring you to this page, and here you can sign up. Just follow the process. You have to type in your name, your email address, show your ID card. But once you have done this, you will land here inside the Revolut business account, and I would say let's dive in and see what we can do with Revolut. So the first big pro of Revolut is that you have multiple currency accounts. So for example, here we have one for Great British pounds, or we have one for USD, for Swiss francs, and for euros. But of course, this is just my demo account, so the amounts are fairly low. But now let's see what we can do with it. So first, we want to add money. So if you have £0, for example, on your account, then you can just click on Add Money. And you have 4 different options to do this, but I think most of you will just transfer money from a different account. So just click on it and then you will see your bank details, and then you can just transfer money to your account. But the nice part about Revolut, since you have multiple currencies, when you are in a different country, for example, somewhere in Europe, then you get an IBAN number and then people can just transfer the money there. So depending on the region you're doing business with, they will get their local specific bank account details. So it won't be weird for them to pay you. So you can either just add money yourself, or of course you can share the details with your business partner and then they can pay you and transfer money to you. And when you need another currency, it's fairly easy. You just click on More and then you click on Add New Account. And then you have, I think, over 25 different currencies here available. And then you can just add one. So for example, if you need Australian dollars, then you just click on it and you can give it a name. For example, Australian account. And then you can just click on Create Account. And now the account is created. And let's go back. And then you get your details and people can just transfer money to the IBAN number here. And the currency which is accepted on this account is Australian dollar. And now you could share this with your business partner in Australia, for example. And we can just go back and now we see we have 0 Australian dollars on our account. Therefore, we can just add money. Either we just top it up with Australian dollar or we move money to this account. Therefore, I will just select, for example, my Euro account up here and my Australian dollar account down here, and then I can just click on it, and now I can decide how much money I want to transfer from my Euro account to my Australian dollar account. So for example, I can just put in 10 euros and this will be the equivalent of 16.4 Australian dollars. You always see the interbank exchange rate up there, so $1 is worth 1.6401 Australian dollar. And when you're fine with this, you can just click Review Order, and then you can sell your euros for Australian dollar. And it takes a second, but now we transferred the money from our Euro account to our Australian dollar account. So that's quite nice. This is the first biggest feature of Revolut. You have multiple currency accounts and therefore you can accept money in different currencies, but you can also now transfer the money to a different person, for example, in Australia. Therefore, on the bottom, you can just click on Transfers, and here you can just click on Send Money. And then you can add a recipient. So for example, a bank receipt here. And then you can select the country. And I would just select Australia then. Then the currency is, of course, Australian dollars. And then you can type in his or her account number, the BSB code, the business name, and then you can send it. Or you can also send it to an individual in Australia. Then, of course, you just have a first name and the last name. And this makes international life way more easier, because now you can just create as many dollars or euro or Swiss francs account as you want, and then you can send money internationally. But just be aware, there are of course limits. For example, on the Grow plan, you can have 5 international transfers and I think 100 local transfers. And when you exceed those limits, then you have to pay extra depending on your region. Therefore, I made an extra video about the cost of Revolut. I will also link this for you down in the video description, and there you can check it out. There are many different plans and they have all different costs associated with those plans. But let's get on with it, and we have way more features, because down here you can see there you have cards. cards. And the nice part is you can just add cards. Therefore, you can just click on order card, and then you can order a physical or a virtual card. And you can just select this, and depending on the plan you are on, you have different card options. So for example, I can order a metal card or a standard black card or a white card, and you can see I currently pay roughly €6 per card. If I don't want to pay and I just want to have virtual cards, I can just also select a virtual card and add this to my account. And of course, since it's a business account, you can add team members to your account on your Revolut account here. And then you can give different cards to different team members and they can start spending the company money on their business trips. And next we have the merchant features. But before we dive into those, because there are many different tools you can use, let's have a quick look at the treasury. Because with Revolut, you can also invest your money. So therefore, you can click on the upper right corner and either you have a savings account, and when you click on get started, then you see that you get 1% per year on the growth plan, or 1.3% on the scale plan, or 1.7% per year on the enterprise plan. And when you transfer money to your savings account, this is the amount you get per year. I think 1%, it's not much, but at least it's something. If you like to have more, you can also invest it in flexible cash funds. For example, when you click on Get Started, you can invest in USD Treasury funds. And here you get up to 2.18% for US Treasury, and Sterling fund you would get 2.4%. And this also depends on the plan. For example, on the scale plan, you get a little bit more, and on the enterprise plan, you get also a little bit more. But I'm no investment advisor, so the funds can be at risk because it's like an investment you make here. So please make sure to read through the terms and conditions, because I am no advisor here in investments. So let's go back, and this is under Treasury. I think it's quite nice that you can put your money to work. But now let's take a look at merchant, because a lot of people choose Revolut because of this feature pack here, because here you can have different tools for receiving money from your customers. For example, the first one, you can generate a link and then people can pay you via the link. So here you just click on create a link, and let's call it test 3 because I made a couple of tutorials already. Then I can choose the currency, and let's choose British pound. And customers can set a price. For example, if you have a charity event running, you can accept multiple payments, so more than one person can pay. Expiration date, I'm good for now. I just want to receive £10 here. And then I can create my payment link. And now I can share it via email, or I can generate a QR code, but I will just copy the link and show you this in my browser. And now on this page, you can see I'm asking the person to pay £10 to Julian Weber, and they can choose a payment method. So maybe they are also on Revolut, then they can pay with Revolut. It kind of works like with PayPal. You can send money between Revolut users, and then they can do this, or they can pay by credit card, by Apple Pay, or simply by Google Pay. So this is the way of collecting money. I will just send you a link and then you transfer money to me. And now we are back at the merchant tools. So this was the first one, but of course you can also just send an invoice. Therefore, you can just create an invoice, put in the customer detail, the invoice number, the item you're selling, the quantity, the price in euros or Great British pound, and then you can send it. So very straightforward. I think you know it from other tools. But you also have subscriptions. So within subscriptions, for example, if you're running an agency and clients pay you like a monthly retainer, then you can set this up here. You select the customer, you create a plan, and then you can automatically collect the money every month. For example, I don't know, $3,000, and the person can then pay you every month on your subscription. So also quite nice, because then it takes away the hassle that you don't have to create an invoice every month. But there's more. For example, you also have devices, and here you can just connect a Revolut reader or any other reader, and then people can just, you know this from cafes and restaurants, then they can just tap it and pay you via those readers from, for example, Revolut. And it goes together with the point of sale solution, because Revolut has an extra app for point of sale, meaning that you can sell product in your cafe with those readers or even your smartphone. I will show you this in a minute. Or they can also pay via QR code on Revolut. And here you can just manage all the reports and the receipts and your sales. So this is an extra app from Revolut for point of sale. When you have like a shop, a cafe, a restaurant, then you can just download this and streamline your payment solution here. So let's go back to Revolut. And there's more. We have one last thing. We have catalogs. So here you can just set up a product. You can give it a name and an amount you want to charge for the product. And you can also, of course, put it into categories. For example, a t-shirt, and then you can sell it to someone. So these are the tools. Quite nice. You can also click on Explore. And here they will explain you all products in detail. So you can do subscriptions, invoices, payment links, point of sale, tap to pay, payment gateways, and plugins. And the last one is quite nice. So if you're running an e-commerce shop, for example, on Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, then you can just click on it and then you can add your Shopify account, for example, here. And then you will directly receive your Shopify sales inside your Revolut account on your bank account on Revolut. And one last thing, under the Merchant tab, you can also click on Get Paid. And then you can click on Tap to Pay on your iPhone. And now it's quite nice because we can set this up on our phone. So therefore, we don't need to buy like a Revolut reader. We can also make this happen on our phone. And when we have a customer who would like to pay, then we can just open this up and then they can pay us from phone to phone or from phone to card. And then you will also receive the money inside your Revolut account and you will see it here. So I think this is perfect. I love this about Revolut. It will give you all these functionalities and they are trying to mimic Stripe with this. So they want to give you some payment provider solutions here. And here under the tool set, you can see all those and you can just integrate them and get paid from your customers. So yeah, these were the merchant tools. We had the treasury tools, so you can put your money to work. You get a couple of percentage points there. And of course, you can transfer money in different currencies. And on the home tab, you can see all your different currency accounts. And let's scroll down here. You can see all your transactions. And if you need to have a report, you can click here on more, and then you can download a statement here. So an account statement, but also an account confirmation. Sometimes you also need this. And two last things, Revolut also has like a reward program. So when you click on it, you get a couple of different software solutions. You get a discount here or a free trial, for example, on Notion, 25% off Slack. So this is a little gimmick. If you sign up for Revolut, you get a couple of rewards here. They're not too high, but if you're using HubSpot, 20% is not nothing. So just to be aware of it. And let's go back. And since Revolut is a business account, and a business usually consists of more than one person, you can invite people to your account and just click on your account on the top left. And here you can see the team tab and just click on it. And now you can just invite multiple people to your team. So you can just add an email, send it out, and then people can sign up to Revolut and then they are part of your company's team. So this is quite nice. And then you can associate different cards to them and they can go on a business travel or they can buy their own software subscription with it. And it's quite nice that you can see it and manage it all within one app. And one more thing, if you want to upgrade, I am currently on the Grow plan, but you can always upgrade here. So there's the Scale plan or the Enterprise plan, and you can just scroll down and you see all the different limits. So for example, if I would upgrade to the Scale plan, then I have 25 international transfers without any fees or 1,000 local transfers. Yeah, just make sure that you go through the plans. As said, I will link you the video down in the video description where I explain the difference between the plans. And it starts as low as I think 10 euros, then 30 euros, then 90, and then 750 euros. I'm based in Germany. That's why I see it in euro. And yeah, this is also the account settings like passwords, my account, notification, and appearance. I think you are used to this from other apps. And one last thing, if you are on the Grow plan, you will see your analytics up here. So here you can see the cash, which is incoming, what I spent, and the merchant revenue. And then you can click on it and you can see how much money you made per day and your money coming in. So for example, if you have a cafe and you have a lot of different card readers connected, then you can see here how much you made per cafe. And yeah, I think this is quite nice. This is Revolut. Just as said, you will find the sign up link down below, and you will get, depending on your region, you can get a sign up bonus from time to time. And then you just click on it and then you can sign up step by step. I also made a video about that. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked Revolut. Feel free to sign up via my partner link. Thank you a lot for this. This also helps me and my channel to make some more videos. And I see you in the next one, maybe how to open up your account now.